JavaScript can literally crash your browser, and it only takes one tiny mistake. No viruses, no hacking, just a few completely valid lines of code, and the browser will happily execute those lines until it can't respond anymore. To understand why, you need to know one important JavaScript rule. JavaScript usually runs your page's main code on a single thread. That thread handles your clicks, animations, page updates, and JavaScript instructions. When one task refuses to finish, everything behind it has to wait. Here is the smallest example. While true, keep running. The condition is true now, and it will still be true 1 billion checks later. So JavaScript enters the loop, checks again, and enters it again. The browser never reaches the next instruction because the loop never ends. Your buttons stop working. Your animations freeze. Even scrolling can become impossible. It looks like the entire browser crashed, although sometimes only one tab is frozen. But infinite loops are not the only way JavaScript can overwhelm a browser. You can also create so many elements that the page becomes unusably slow. Imagine adding another div repeatedly without removing any of the old ones. The browser must store, draw, and track every single element you create. You can also consume memory by continuously creating huge arrays or objects. If memory usage grows far enough, the tag may close or completely fail. Recursion can cause another famous error: maximum call stack size exceeded. This happens when a function keeps calling itself without a reliable stopping condition. Unlike an infinite loop, the browser may stop this one by throwing an error. So how do developers stop their own code from destroying the user experience? First, every loop should have a condition that can eventually become false. Second, test suspicious code in a controlled environment, not your important production page. Third, split expensive work into smaller pieces so the browser can keep responding. For extremely heavy calculations, developers can move work into a web worker. That allows the interface to remain responsive while calculations happen elsewhere. So yes, JavaScript can freeze a browser, but the real problem is uncontrolled work. Now tell me, what happens after this code runs?